So I'll give you a quick tutorial on this Ninja blender that I absolutely love. So right now I have my vanilla protein shake in the mixer so far. That's all I have in there. 11 ounces. I'm gonna put in 2 packets of my whatever flavor you want, sweetener or flavoring. So I have coconut and banana. I'm feeling a little bit fruity today. Then I'm gonna top it up to ice, with ice to the max fill line here. Perfect. Sorry, I'm switching hands here. Just gonna screw this on. Hang tight, let me make sure it's on there tight. Perfect, it's on there tight. And we're gonna, oh, I didn't turn it on. Let's turn it on. Look how pretty it is. So when it's just a regular purple solid, you'll know it's ready. Yep. Oh, you probably can't tell, but it's purple. And I just hit start. And it's done. Just that fast. It's completely mixed. It's hard to tell, but it's completely mixed and it's so convenient.
You can drink out of that.
Solid purple, and I'm going to start blending my favorite summertime treat into a juice.
turn it on.
And
Allow it to stop.
Glenn's gonna fly their first class, so he's spending around 8
Have
to
a
9
solid
minutes.
light.
Then just plane ticket.
And I actually like it a lot. Look at that. Feels like a smooth right here. And then so good. Right here you can just open and drink from here. And then hold it like this. Highly recommend. Love that it has
Just tried out this new Ninja Blend Jet and it worked really well. As you can see, I finished my shake and I had it with a straw. It was nice and thick and frothy. Very easy. I really like this feature where you push the start button and it just blends for 30 seconds. I did a mix of protein powder here and I added a little banana and a little bit of ice and it worked perfectly. So I highly recommend this. It works really.
just press this.
Why you got scared? Wow, that works fast. Sure will, right? What did you think it was going?
So I charged this up and I just started to use it, and not even 10 minutes later, it's already saying that the battery is dead, needs to be charged. I'm so upset.